Alright, what's up, everybody? Immaculate Wealth. What the rich know about index funds and young investors don't. Today, we're going to expose why most young investors are completely wrong about index funds. I'm going to show you exactly how the wealthy use these tools to build generational wealth. But first, let me share a story that will change how you think about investing forever. In 1995, a young warehouse worker named James Thompson was frustrated watching his co-workers waste their paychecks on lottery tickets and get rich quick schemes. At 19, James was making $8.50 an hour and living with his parents in Detroit. One day, while sorting packages, he overheard two senior managers discussing their retirement portfolios and index funds. James spent his lunch breaks at the public library researching index funds. He discovered he could invest just $50 per paycheck into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. Despite his friends mocking him for being boring and playing it safe, James stayed committed. He automated his investments, lived below his means, and gradually increased his contributions as he got promotions. Fast forward 25 years to 2020, with his former co-workers were still working at the warehouse. James had accumulated over $1.2 million through consistent index fund investing. The power of compound interest and market returns had turned his modest investment, into a fortune. Today, James mentors young warehouse workers about the power of index investing, showing them his actual account statements as proof that patience and consistency beat speculation. So let's get real. While everyone's chasing the next GameStop or crypto moonshot, the wealthy are quietly building fortunes with index funds. Here's why. First, you get instant diversification across hundreds or thousands of companies. Think about it. Instead of betting on one company, you're betting on the entire market. Second, you're paying way less in fees than actively managed funds. We're talking about 0.03% versus 1 to 2% for managed funds. That difference might seem small, but over decades, it can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Third, the historical returns don't lie. We're looking at around 10% annually over the long term, year over year. And here's the kicker. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors ever, bet $1 million that an index fund would beat hedge fund managers. And he won. Now, let's destroy some myths that are probably costing you money. Myth number 1, index funds are boring and won't make you rich. Let's do the math together. If you invest $500 monthly with a 10% average return, after 30 years, you're looking at over $1.1 million. Still think that's boring? Myth number 2, you need a lot of money to start. Wrong. You can start with a little bit of money, $25, $50, $75 today. And that's less than most people spend on takeout in a week. Myth number 3, it's better to pick individual stocks. Here's the truth. Over 90% of professional investors fail to beat the market consistently. If the pros can't do it, why are you trying? Let's talk about how to actually get started. We've got 3 main platforms to choose from. Vanguard, they've got the lowest fees, the higher minimums. Fidelity, 0 minimum and great research tools. And Charles Schwab, excellent customer service and low fees. And there are others, but these are the ones that I typically hear about all the time. Here's your exact strategy to follow. Of the money you invest, put 70% in a S&P 500 index fund, 20% in an international index fund, and 10% in a bond index fund. The key is automation. Set up automatic transfers on payday, reinvest all dividends, and rebalance once a year. That's it. No daily trading, no watching CNBC or Bloomberg television. It's no stress. For those ready to level up, consider these advanced strategies. Opening up a Roth IRA for tax advantages, using dollar cost averaging during market dips, regular portfolio rebalancing to maintain your target allocations. So we're going to go over some more strategies for investing in future videos. Drop a comment in the comment section. Tell us your biggest takeaway from James's story. And let me know if you're already investing in index funds or you're just getting started. All right, remember, wealth building isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich for sure. And if you want some more financial tips, come watch another video here. And remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial professional, but I can help you. We can help you get to $1 million and beyond. See you in the next one.